too much starting for. Okay, so good evening, dear students. Welcome in our day 6 of our free workshop, that is Dr. Homi Baba Young Scientist exam. So as per our schedule, first that is fact file. So today's first fact file, that is orange peel. Okay, in this orange peel, there is a low saturated fat is present, there is a low cholesterol is present, but this orange peel contain vitamin C, dietary fiber, minerals are present in the orange peel. And today's second fact file, some fungi are very, very small, microscopic. We cannot see with our naked eyes, but some fungi is big, okay, which we can see with our eyes very easily. Mushroom is also fungi. Okay, mushroom is also fungi. Is it okay? Today's two fact file. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you able to listen my sound? If yes, then just show the thumb. Okay, I have mute you. Okay. Okay. So welcome. Okay. So today I would like to share or start one topic that is called magnetism. Okay, or fun with magnets. I think in your sixth standard there is a chapter is given that is fun with magnet, or another name that is magnet. Yes, na, in your sixth standard this chapter is present, na? Okay, so magnet. Okay, so हमें किसे magnet बोलना है? A material or the object that produce magnetic field. Okay, this magnetic field is invisible. We are not able to see this magnetic field. See, I have two magnets. Okay, see, I have two magnets. Okay, so this magnet produce the magnetic field. Okay, this magnet produce the magnetic field, but which is invisible, but it is responsible for one of the property which we can note down. That property is called magnetism or ferromagnetism. That property is called magnetism or called ferromagnetism. So iron, nickel, cobalt, those are called magnetic substance because they are attracted toward the magnet. See, I have the magnet. Okay, and this scissor is made up of iron or steel. So scissor attract the magnet, or this magnet attract the scissor. Okay, so iron is called magnetic substance, nickel is called magnetic substance, cobalt is called magnetic substance. So there was a shepherd named that is Magnus, okay, who lives in Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goat nearby the mountain for grazing. And what happened one day? One day, he will take the stick, okay, which control for his herd. That stick is made up of iron, and that stick is attracted. Okay, that stick is attracted to the that mountain, and it is very hard for that shepherd to remove that stick. Then shepherd surprised why this happens. So this rock, okay, there is a special rock. On that rock, that stick is attracted to that rock. So that rock is called natural magnet. Okay, so this magnetite or lodestone is called natural magnet. Now next thing, that is magnetic substance and non-magnetic substance. See, I have magnet. Are you able to see my magnet? Okay, this magnet is attracted to the ion part, but this magnet is not attracted to the plastic. देखो प्लास्टिक पार्ट पे मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, बट आयन पे हो रहा है, यस ना. सो there are two type of substance, magnetic and non-magnetic. Okay, so the material which get attracted toward the magnet, the material which get attracted toward the magnet, that is called magnetic substance. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt. And the magnet, uh, okay, so the material which are not attracted to the magnet, they are called non-magnetic material. For example, wood, rubber, plastic, paper. Okay, they are non-magnetic. Clear concept, magnetic and non-magnetic. Okay, so test for magnetism, compass. Okay, we can use the compass to find out whether the substance is magnetic or non-magnetic. The one end of compass needle normally point to the north, and if magnetic substance come close to the needle, then it will make that needle to turn. ओके, सो जो कंपास है, कंपास, डू यू नो अबाउट द कंपास ना? इन द कंपास मैग्नेट इज यूज, एंड व्हाई कंपास इज यूज? टू फाइंडिंग आउट द डायरेक्शन. कंपास क्यों यूज करते हैं? टू फाइंडिंग आउट द डायरेक्शन. सो कंपास कंपास ऑलवेज शोज नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, बट आपने कंपास के पास मैग्नेट रखा, देन इट्स नीडल टर्न, उसकी नीडल डिफ्लेक्ट होती है, चेंज होती है, टर्न होती है. ओके, इज इट ओके? नाउ टेक अ मेटल एंड मैग्नेट. Okay, now we have to learn the concept that is magnetism. So bring one pole of north or south pole of magnet to the end of the metal bar of 1 by 1. So when there is okay, when there is like charges, there is a repulsion. देखो नीचे की डायग्राम देखो, साउथ साउथ. Okay, there is a like pole. साउथ क्या है? पोल. मैग्नेट हैव हाउ मेनी पोल? मैग्नेट हैव टू पोल. मैग्नेट को कितने पोल है? टू पोल है, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. व्हेन नॉर्थ नॉर्थ पोल कम टुगेदर, देन देयर इज अट्रैक्शन. सी, आई हैव मैग्नेट. ओके, मैंने टू पोल्स, नॉर्थ नॉर्थ, साउथ साउथ पोल एक दूसरे के करीब लाए, तो क्या हो गया? अट्रैक्शन हो गया. नाउ व्हेन one south and one north, and one north and one south, then there is attraction. Okay, उनमें क्या होगा? attraction. See, I have add one magnet. Okay, मेरे पास ये है, उसमें मैंने one magnet ऐड किया. See, now there is a repulsion. ये जो दो मैग्नेट है उसमें क्या हो रहा है? repulsion. Okay, now when I turn off the magnet, then there is a attraction. फिर उसमें क्या हो गया? attraction. So this magnet shows attraction and repulsion. So when magnet shows attraction and repulsion, so there are some point, that is when a like charges or like pole, साउथ साउथ, नॉर्थ नॉर्थ, जब लाइक पोल रहते हैं तब रिपल्शन होता है, अनलाइक पोल होता है तब अट्रैक्शन होते हैं. अगेन सी, आई हैव kept this magnet, I have add another magnet. Now I try to come closer, but वो मैग्नेट एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहे. हो क्या हो रहे? रिपेल. दिख रहा है आपको? आर यू एबल टू सी? यस. Okay, now I flip the magnet. Now they are attract. अभी दोनों मैग्नेट क्या हो गए? एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट. तो मैग्नेट में अट्रैक्शन कब होता है? when pole are different, unlike pole, south north, unlike pole, attraction, and like pole, repulsion. Okay, understand the term? Is it okay? Now magnetic compass. Okay, in the magnetic compass there is a needle and needle shows north and south direction. Okay, in the magnetic compass, there is a needle is present and needle shows north and south direction. Two magnets will be attracted by their opposite pole and each will repel the like pole of other magnet. Okay, so magnet have the attraction and repulsion. Okay, magnet में क्या है? Attraction and repulsion. So whenever there is a like charges, like pole, there is a repulsion. Whenever there is a unlike pole, there is a attraction. ये दो सेंटेंस आपको लर्न करना ही है. Okay. Now, can we separate the magnet pole? No. Suppose I have big magnet, I cut it, then it again having two north and south pole. I again cut it, then it having the two north and south pole. So we cannot isolate or separate the magnetic pole. Magnet compulsory having the two pole. Magnet को कितने पोल रहते हैं? टू पोल रहते हैं. मैग्नेट इज कॉल्ड बाइपोलर. कौन कौन से दो पोल है मैग्नेट को? नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल. एंड वी कैन नॉट सेपरेट इट्स टू पोल. हम उसके टू पोल सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. क्लियर? मैग्नेट इज ऑलवेज डाइपोलर. मैग्नेट इज ऑलवेज डाइपोलर. Next one, uses of magnet. Everybody knows the uses of magnet. That is, magnet is used in a compass to find the direction. It is also used in the factory to lift the heavy masses of iron. It is also used by the surgeon in the hospital to remove the steel particle which by mistake enter in the eyes. It is also used in the construction of telephone, electric bell. It is also used to separate iron from the steel, from the non-magnetic material, and so many. In your fridge, there's a magnetic is present. In your mother's father's ATM card, in that also magnet present. In the toy, there is a magnet present. In your home, there is an electric motor. In that also magnet is present. Okay. In your fun toys, in your fun toys. Okay. So I hope you understand about the magnetism. Yes, na? Is it okay about magnetism? Okay. Just again within 5 minutes, I would like to revise all points. Okay, magnet chapter में क्या क्या important है? Okay, I would like to revise all points. So first one, you should know the meaning of magnetic substance. आपको क्या पता रहना चाहिए? Magnetic substance. So कौन से substance को magnetic substance बोलते हैं? Those substance which are attracted toward the magnet, they are called magnetic substance. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt, they are called magnetic substance. Next one, that is non-magnetic substance. So which substance are called non-magnetic substance? Okay, which substance are called non-magnetic substance? Type. You can chat. Wood, very good. Very good. Eraser, very good. Okay, wood, book, rubber, okay, paper, very good, very good. Okay. So why it is called non-magnetic substance? Because they are not attracted toward the magnet. Okay. Now magnet have how many pole? Write down your answer in chat box. How many pole magnet having? Yes, very good, my dear students. Very good, very good, very good. Which are the two poles? Which are the two poles? North pole and south pole. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Can we separate two poles of magnet? Can we separate two poles of magnet? Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good, very good, dear students. Okay, so magnet is used to finding out the direction. If you have compass, if you have compass and you don't know about the direction, then how can you find out the direction? By using the compass. So compass में क्या रहता है? मैग्नेटिक नीडल. कंपास में क्या रहते हैं? मैग्नेटिक नीडल. एंड मैग्नेट ऑलवेज शोज विच डायरेक्शन. Suppose I have one bar magnet. I tie it with the thread. Okay, I tie it with the thread. Okay, and then just give one small jerk. Then when it stops, it shows north to south direction. So magnet shows which direction? North south direction. So magnetic compass is used to finding out the direction. Okay, do you know there are two type of magnet? Okay, there are two type of magnet. We can create the temporary magnet. Okay, we can create the temporary magnet, and those second type, that is permanent magnet. See, magnet have two type. Now I have steel rod. It is the magnetic. ये मैग्नेटिक का है. उसको कोई आयन ऑब्जेक्ट अट्रैक्ट हो सकते हैं? No. I have steel rod. It is the magnet? No. Okay, no, but I can make it as a magnet. मैं उसको मैजिक से मैग्नेट बना सकती हूँ. So how is it possible? Is it possible? ये possible हो सकता है? Okay, actually ये थोड़े मैग्नेट है. ये मैग्नेट है क्या? No, this is not magnet. Then how can I make it magnet? So by rubbing on the original magnet. Okay, so by rubbing on the original magnet, I can make its temporary magnet. मैं उसको temporary magnetism में convert कर सकती हूँ. Okay, okay, and that is called temporary magnetism. And in this temporary magnetism, there are different method. Okay, there are different method to make the magnetism. That is single touch method, double touch method, and then I can make this screwdriver. Its upper part is made up of steel. It is not magnet, but I can make it a temporary magnet, but it lost after some time. Okay, it lost after, because it is temporary and the original one is original. Okay, so we have already seen the uses of magnet. Yes, na? That is, magnet are used in many things. Just right now in the PPT, we have seen the uses of magnet. Magnet is also used in the doorbell, that is electromagnetism. Now next type, that is called electromagnetism. Magnetism is prepared by using electricity. That is called electromagnetism. There is no real magnet. There is no real magnet, but we can prepare the magnetism by using the electricity. Okay, and that is called electromagnetism. But when we disconnect the electric supply, magnetism lost. हमने इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई डिस्कनेक्ट किया, मैग्नेटिज्म लॉस्ट. Okay, magnetism is also used in telephone, telegram, audio, video, tape. Okay, there is audio, video, tape. In that also magnetism is used. Loudspeaker, there is also magnetism is used. In your fridge, there is also magnetism. Magnet is used. Okay, then magnetic strips are also present in the ATM card. So there are so many applications of magnetism. Okay, to remove factory, yes, in the factory, to remove the ion object from the waste, garbage. Okay, so there are so many application of these magnets. Is it okay? सो हाउ वी कैन लूज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैग्नेट. मेरे पास मैग्नेट है लेकिन उसके प्रॉपर्टी कभी कभी लूज हो सकते हैं. सो व्हेन आई हीट द मैग्नेट, okay, when I heat the magnet, then its property lost. Okay, then on being repeatedly drop on the floor, okay, on being repeatedly drop on the floor, then also property of magnet lost. Okay, so when two magnets are very close to each other, then also property of magnet is lost. So there is a one wooden ion and wooden piece is kept between the two magnet. Okay, that is called keeper. Okay, in between the two magnet, wooden and iron rod are kept. That is called keeper. So that property of magnet do not lost. Okay, is it okay? Okay, so this one is about the magnetism. Okay, today we learn complete one chapter, that is magnetism. I hope you understand about the magnetism. Okay, you have to rejoin again. Huh? Okay, you have to rejoin again. Okay, very good, my dear students. Very good. Today I would like to show you the all activities of magnetism.